We're gonna try it without a sauce. Yum. What is happening, guys? It's your boy Bisdak abroad, and it's another day of the Bisdak abroad. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? Today, I know I promised you guys, I promised you that we're gonna do a lechon duck this week, but I can't do it. What? Because it's been raining here for the past few weeks. It's non-stop rain, everyday rain. Remember when a couple of weeks ago and it was just bushfire everywhere here in Australia, and it's been raining non-stop. So I think they heard your prayers. Yeah, since I can't do lechon duck, when I wake up today I feel like eating siomai. I'm craving for siomai. Like, I think I'm gonna do a pork siomai today. Yeah, how's that sound? Before anything else, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. I'm gonna teach you how to make a siomai, a very quick, easy recipe siomai. It's very easy. You can do it like just like that. You can pick it up just like that. So come join me, and yeah, we do some siomai loving. First things first, we're gonna get some chopping board in the bowl. Alright, because we're gonna do a bit of chopping, and we're gonna mix it on the bowl. We'll grab pork. Right, pork, 500 grams in the bowl. Prawns, 10 pieces. It's really up to you, but I like to use 10. Right, take the head off. Okay, 10 prawns, we're gonna mince it. Prawns or shrimp, in Australia we call them prawns. Don't get it wrong. We never call them shrimp here. Since I decided to chop the prawns first, make sure you wash your chopping board. But if you're like me, who's lazy, just flip it over like that. It's clean. Alright. Garlic shoot. Carrot, just one. This looks small out, but that will do. Some garlic and some of this. Alright, mince them all. Oh no, I have corona. Alright, I'll chop. That's the garlic, that's the garlic shoot. Onions and the grated carrots. Alright, I'm gonna dump it here. I get the prawns here already. I chopped that a while ago, and then the pork mince. Everything goes in there. That's it. Salt, pepper for seasoning. Just a little bit of salt. I don't want to put too much. Easy way. Teaspoon of sugar. Sesame oil. I'm gonna put like a spoonful of it because this sesame oil is a bit strong. Right, I will make that too. Okay. 1 egg. I'm gonna put oyster sauce, but if you don't have oyster sauce, put like a normal soy or a seasoning, like this, nor seasoning. If you don't have oyster sauce for that, oyster sauce. That's it. So that's all of it. Mix it up. Don't worry. Wash my hand. I washed my hand yesterday. Perfect consistency. Oh, I need beer. I need more beer. Should be like this. It's sticky. It's not runny. It should be sticky. Like I said, it's all good. I washed my hands. I washed it yesterday. Bruh. Alright, that should be mixed enough. This is what I use for wrapping it.
Dumpling wrappers.
It's called dumpling wrappers. I bought this in our local Asian grocery. It's called gauchi. It is used for dumplings and what else? I think it is for that, just for dumplings, yeah? And it's 98% fat free. I love it. All right, it's a bit firm. See, it looks like that. All right, I'm gonna teach you how to do this. Disclaimer, I'm not professional, so this is just how I do it. This is what I found it easier. Put it in a palm, grab some of your fillings. Just like that, put it in the center, okay? You're taking pictures. And then what happened, I put it on my thumb and my index. And like, do a circle like that. Put it on top of it. And then just try to make your way to make it like circle. And the filling in it. Just like that.
So you're just closing it.
Yeah, I'm like basically you're just trying to close it like that. See? We'll do it again. In your palm, put a filling. Put in the center of it. Put in your thumb and your index finger or your point finger, and then just or slowly close it. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, mate. Just like that. See? Index finger and thumb, and then slowly just close it. See, and press the filling a bit. Just like that. See? That's the siomai. 40. So we did 40 siomais. What we're gonna do now is just steam it. All right? We're gonna transfer here. This is what we're gonna use today. We haven't used this for a while, but now it's about time to use it again. It's a steamer. Yeah, basically that's just what it does. Steam food. You got 1, 2, 3 layers of it. You can put a lot of stuff in it in one go, one steam. We're gonna base this tray. I'm gonna put sesame oil instead of just normal oil. I'm gonna put the sesame oil so it even tastes good, even taste more. Purpose of doing this just to make sure that siomai doesn't stick on the bottom. Easy, eh? Very easy to make. Turn it on, wait for it. The light is on now. Well, just wait for it. Okay, I'm gonna get back at you later on if this is cooked. Okay, peace out. It's cooked! Yes! Let's eat! Now I am back and I'm ready to do a bit of mukbang to the siomai that we just made. Well, I only grabbed a few because I'm gonna leave some for the, the kids. The kids loves them. Siomai in the Philippines, we do it with soy and calamansi. But since we don't have that today, I'm just gonna use bagoong with vinegar. I got that here, and that's a bit of pork there. There I got the dumpling sauce. The dumpling sauce right here. First, without any sauce. So this is what it looks like. It's cooked, the pastry is cooked. Bit firm, juicy. There's juice coming out. We're gonna try it without the sauce. Yum. This is way better than the first time I made it, like a couple of months ago. Yum. This is so yummy, Bob. I'm gonna try it with the Filipino sauce, the soy vinegar, garlic, pepper, onions. Oh, you can see me. There you go. There you go. Yep. That sauce is a bit overpowering. This one, the bagoong. Bagoong and a bit of vinegar to it. With pork, there's a pork from, this is from last night. The pork. Yum. I think this is the best. The bagoong. Be better if you have the calamansi, but since we don't have one, I'm gonna try it with the dumpling sauce. This is garlic flavor. See. That's not bad, that's not bad. I like that one too. It's called the dumpling sauce. I don't know. It's a Chinese branding to it, but I don't know what does it mean. But yeah, it says dumpling sauce. To be honest, you don't really have to put sauce to it. I mean, it's nice itself, just eating this. Full of flavor already coming out. Oh. Try it, but without the sauce. It's nice. Without the sauce, it's nice already. I'll try. The camera woman's trying it. Love it. There you go. Easy Siomai recipe. Very easy. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you very much. You're far too kind. Peace out.